Good morning, dear students. We have learned two chapters, integers and fractions. I hope that you have practiced all the questions given in the exercise. Now we move on to chapter 3, decimals. Decimals already you have studied in class 4, 5, 6 also. Now we shall review the definitions and the types of decimals. What is definition of a decimals? The numbers expressed in decimal forms are called decimals. So the decimal has two parts, namely that is whole part and decimal part. See the example 32.402. 32 is a whole number, that is whole part. 402 is a decimal part. After the decimal point we have to say the number one by one. That is 402. No one will say like this 402. That is a wrong pronunciation. Now come to the types of decimals. First one is like decimals. So decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. See the example 6.73, 1.23, 32.54. etc. Any number you can write as you wish. See there, here the decimal part is 2, here also decimal part is 2, here also decimal part is 2. That is the decimal places, the number of decimal places will be same, then it is a like decimal. Now next type, unlike decimals. Decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. See the example 5.3, 10.24, 8.012. The first example, that is one decimal place is there, second one 2 decimal places are there, and then third one 3 decimal places are there. Here the decimal places are different, so it is called unlike decimals. You can write any examples like decimals, unlike decimals, write any number as you wish, and then you identify the like decimal and unlike decimals. Now move to exercise 3A. Question number 1. Convert the given decimals into a fraction in its simplest form. Here the question is given 0.8. First we are converting into fraction. Here the decimal place is 1. So we are 8 by 10. 1 decimal places, so divided by 10. And bring it into smallest form. That is 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. That is 4 by 5 is the simplest form. After that we cannot simplify it. That means 4n, that is HCF of 4 and 5 will be 1 only. Come to question number 2. That is 0.285. Here the number of decimal places is 3. So that is equal to 285 by 1000. That is again you simplify into smallest form, that is simplest form, that is 57 by 200. That 3.06. There are 2 decimal places are there. So we cannot write in any number before 0. So 6 divided by 100. Here the decimal place is 2. So we are divided by 100. 6 by 100. Bring it into simplest form 3 by 50. Now move to question number 2. Convert the given decimals into mixed fractions. Number 1. 5.6. First, without decimal point, you write the number 56 by 10. Why we are writing 10 here? That is 1 decimal place is here, so write 10. Then again it is an improper fraction. Already you know that how to convert into mixed fraction. That is you divided it, whole number, that is 5, 6 by 10. Again 6 by 10, bring it into the simplest form, 5, 3 by 5. Now move to question number 2, 6.004. This is another one method of bringing into mixed fraction. 6 is a whole part, so I am writing as it is. And 004, there are 3 decimal places here, so 4 by 1000. So 4 by 1000, bring it into simplest form, that is 1 by 250. You can choose any one method here. Now number 3, convert each of the following into a decimal. Here the fractions are given, now you are bringing into decimal. 47 by 10. Here the denominator contains 10. So 1 decimal places will be there in your answer. That is 4.7. Number 2. 2516 by 100. Here the denominator contains 2 zeros. That is 100. So 2 decimal places will be there. That is 25.16. Number 3. 25 by 8. Here the denominator contains, that is a whole number. Apart from that is 10, 100, 1000 is not here. So 8. So ordinary division we will do it. First 3 8s are 24. After that the remainder is 1. Now we have to proceed the division to bring the denominator, that is the remainder, as 0. That is, we are putting decimal point and adding 1 0. That is 10. Then again 10 divided by 8, that is 1 8s are 8. Then 2. Again 2 is remainder. Again one more 0 is added. So that is 20. 20. Again 2 8s are 16. Again the remainder is 4. One more 0 is added. That is 5 8s are 40. Then remainder will be 0. So how to do these questions? That is, suppose in any whole number divided by that is a whole number. Some cases you have to add as many zeros. Insert as many zeros in the decimal part or the whole number part to bring the remainder as 0. Question number 4. 3 2 by 5. First you convert into improper fraction, that is 17 by 5. Then as usual process, what we have done in the earlier question, we have to do it in that way. The answer will be 3.4. Now we move to question number 4, that is, arrange the following decimals in ascending order. Ascending order means you have to start from the smallest number to the greater number. Here the question is 0.5, 5.5, 5.05, 0.05, 5.55. First we have to convert the given decimal into like decimal. Like decimal means number of decimal places should be same. That is 0.50, 5.50, 5.05, 0.05, 5.55. So all are in now like decimals. Now we have to compare the whole number part. Here it is 0, the second one 5, third one 5, fourth one 0, fifth one 5. So the smallest whole number is 0, 0. There are two numbers are here. Then both whole numbers are equal. Then we move to the next 10th part. That here it is 5, here it is 0. So 0 is the smaller one. So we will write the first number 0.05, the next one 0.50, that is 0.5. Now next move to the next three number, that is 5.50, 5.05, 5.55. Here the all whole number part is equal. Then we move to the 10th place. Here it is 5, here it is 0, here it is 5. So 0 is the lower one. So first we will write it 5.05. Again we will compare these two decimal numbers, 5.50, 5.55. That is 5 whole number, here also 5. Then 10th part is 5, here also 5. Then we move to the 100th place. Here it is 0, here it is 5. So 0 is smaller than 5. That is 5.50. Then the last one 5.55. So the ascending order of the given decimal is 0.05, 0.5, 5.05, 5.50, 5.55. Now move to question number 5. Express as rupees using decimals. Here the question is 8 paise. That is, now we have to know the formula. 100 paise equal to 1 rupee. So 1 paise equal to rupees 1 by 100. These conversion you have studied in class 3 onwards. So 8 paise equal to, that is 1 by 100 into 8. That is 8 by 100. Now we are bringing into the decimal. Here the denominator contains 2 0. So 2 places we need in the decimal part. So here in the numerator that is only 1 place. So we have to add one more 0 front of, that is 8. That is rupees 0.08. The next question. 9 rupees 75 paise. Already it is 9 rupees is in the rupees unit. So we will write it as it is rupees 9. Point. You know that whatever you have done the process in the previous question, you will do it here. 75 paise. That is 75 by 100. 100, two zeros are there. Here 75, 2 places are there. So 0.75. So 9 plus 0.75 is equal to rupees 9.75. Question number 6. Express in kilometer using decimals. Question number 1. 65 meter. Again you write the formula. 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. That means you have to divide the given question, that is meter, to bring it into kilometer. So 65 meter equal to 65 by 1000 kilometer. Here 3 zeros are there. We need 3 places in the numerator. Here only 2 places are there. So we will put 0 in front of 65. That is 0.065 kilometer. The units are very important. Now move to next question. 3 kilometer, 5 meter. So here 3 kilometer, we can write it as directly also, otherwise we can simplify in this way. 3, convert kilometer into meter. 3 into 1000 meter plus 5 meter. That is 3000 plus 5, 3005 meter. Then 3005 divided by 1000 kilometer. 3 zeros, so 3 decimal places should be there. So 3.005 kilometer. In exercise 3A, see the questions, that is ticked questions. Question number 5. Fill in each of the placeholders with the correct symbol greater than or less than. See the numbers as using the like decimal. You know that how to compare the decimals, you know it. According to that, you put the sign in all the questions. Next, question number 7. Arrange the following decimals in descending order. What we have done in ascending order, in the same process you do it. Convert into like decimals, then compare the whole number, then compare the decimal part one by one, then according to that you write in as descending order. Number 8. Express 45 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. Now we move to exercise 3B, that is addition and subtraction of decimals. Addition. See the question here. Number 1. 16, 8.7, 0.94, 6.8 and 7.77. First step is converting all the given decimals into like decimals. That is equal number of decimal places. 16.00, 8.70, 0.94, 6.80 and 7.77. How to convert into like decimal? How many places? That we have to see in the question, where in which decimal contains more number of decimal places. According to that we will convert in that decimal places. Now after that you arrange it in a column, the whole number part one side, put a decimal point, then you write the decimal places. Then as usual, how you are doing the addition, in the same way you will add it and give the answer. Number 2, 9.09, 0.909, 99.9, 9.99, 0.099. Here the maximum number of decimal places is 3. So we are converting all the given decimals into number, that is like decimal, into the decimal places of 3. 9.090, 0.909, 99.900, 9.990, 0.099. Here we are doing this, that is 99.900. So after the number, that is after the decimal number 9, we are adding 2 zeros. So the value does not change here. So after that you arrange it in a column wise, and as usual addition you do it, put a plus sign, don't forget it, the sign is very important. That is the answer will be, that is 119.988. Now move to the question number 2, subtract 14.79 from 72.43. After the from, whatever the decimal number you have to write first. 72.43 subtraction sign 14.79. So normal subtraction what you are doing in the whole number, you will do it and bring the answer. Number 2, 13.876 from 22. Here there is in 22 there is no decimal part. So we are converting into the like decimal first. 13.876 from 22.000. So after the from 22 is there. So first we will write 22.000 minus 13.876. Then you do the subtraction and give the answer, that is 8.124. Question number 3. What is to be added to 63.58 to get 92. Here we have to frame the equation. What is to be added? That is x plus, added means plus 63.58, get, that means equal to 92. Then we are solving the equation, that is x is equal to 92. After the equal sign 92 is there, we will write it as it is, and plus 63.58, bring it on the right hand side of the equal sign, that is minus 63.58. That is, we are doing the subtraction. Now arrange it in column and do the subtraction and give the answer. So what is to be added? 28.42 is to be added to 63.58 to get 92. You can write the last statement also. Number 4. What is to be subtracted from 8.1 to get 0.813? Frame the equation. Once again, you read the question from 8.1. So 8.1, first you will write it. Then what is to be subtracted? That should be x minus x is equal to 0.813. So here the x contains negative sign, so we are bringing into the right hand side of the equal sign, that is positive. So 8.1 minus 0.813 is in the right hand side of the equal sign, we are bringing into the left hand side, that is negative. 0.813 is equal to x. Then as usual, subtraction, arrange it in column and do the subtraction and give the answer. X is equal to 7.287. That is 7.287 is to be subtracted from 8.1 to get 0.813. Question number 5. By how much should 32.67 be increased to get 60.1? That means increased means you have to add. So what should be added? X plus 32.67 is equal to get, that is 60.1. So x equal to 60.1 minus 32.67. So arrange it in column and subtract it. So the value of x equal to 27.43. 27.43 should 32 should be added to, that is 32.67 be increased to get 60.1. This question is same as the question number 3. Now in exercise 3b, there are 6 questions are there. That is question number 5, that is addition, 6, 7. There are 3 questions in addition. Then subtraction, question number 12, 13, 15. Then question number 21 and 22. These are the word problems. You write the statements and give the answer.